Here's what you'll need for my minestrone soup. With some veg, whatever's on offer in your supermarket really. I've gone with baby sweet corn, some mange too, a couple of celery sticks, some fresh basil, an onion, a couple of potatoes, or 3 small ones as I've got, 2 cloves of garlic, a chili pepper, you can leave that out if you don't like spicy things, some beef stock, some tomato passata, some cannellini beans. If you can't get cannellini, use whichever beans you can get, and then some pasta. I like that vermicelli type pasta. First thing we're going to do is get all your veg washed and prepared. Then we want to finely chop it. So instead of trying to chop like a ninja, we're going to let a food processor do that for us. Into a pan with a glug of oil. Get that heated up, and then it's in with all the finely chopped veg. Then you're going to fry these off for 5 minutes, just to warm and cook them through. When your veg, about 5 or 10 minutes to cook through, take the lid off. Then you're going in with some salt and cracked black pepper. Then it's in with your couple of garlic cloves, all nicely chopped. Same goes for your potatoes, chopped into little bite-sized chunks. Stir them in. Then it's in with your passata. And then a litre of your beef stock. And just to check you've got every bit of passata out, just put some of your beef stock in the bottle. And just give it a shake. There you go. Stir that in just to make sure that everything's come off the bottom of the pan, and then you're going to simmer that away for around 30 minutes just to ensure that everything, including your potatoes, are thoroughly cooked. When your soup's been simmering away long enough so that you know your potatoes and everything's been cooked, then it's time to give your beans a good rinse, and then in with those. Chop your basil up. In that goes. And then last but not least, with your pasta. And then again, you're going to simmer that away until your pasta's cooked. And then your soup will be ready.